MVWB, along with its member MFIs and banks, have organized the Bankers Lenders Meet on 4th of March 2021 in the Lalit, Kolkata, West Bengal. The meet was in the context that the banks and microfinance industry will be playing an important role in the post-COVID economy by funding the financially underserved for normalization of their enterprise and livelihood. There was total 70 bank and NBFC lending company dignitaries attended the meet with 64 MFIs delegates including leaders and top and middle management dignitaries.
From the banking community, कभी-कभी क्या होता है, हाथ मुट्ठी खुलता है, कभी-कभी मुट्ठी पूरा बंद कर देते हैं. तो हमारा निवेदन यही है, विदिन दिस पीरियड आप लोग थोड़ा मदद दीजिए माइक्रो फाइनेंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को, सो दैट गरीबों के पास पैसा पहुंचे और वो लोग फिर ठीक से उसका जो एक्टिविटीज दे कैन रन.
So it's a great contribution that the microfinance institutions are making to the Indian economy. You have proved that the poor is really bankable. So in effect, if you see the role of microfinance institutions, to my mind, that these institutions are market makers. We must focus our policy attention and see that this sector grows much higher.
Unorganized sectors, they are the largest contributor to the economy. The advantage of this sector is they are so resilient. They come back so fast that from a 50% recovery rate, we are coming out to such a high recovery rate, and within the next 6 months' time, we will see something absolutely normal. So we have to have trust on them. You have to have trust on us. The sector is going to bounce back, and this is the time that investment is made in this sector.
The total portfolio of microfinance institutions in India was somewhere around 10,000 or 14,000 crores, which I remember. And today we are standing at 2,28,000 crores, as Siddhar said, 2,300% growth. So that has happened in a period of 10 years. So I would only request my banker friends to be with us, to sometimes while appraising the smaller MFIs, try to shift the approach of how you look at appraisals. It may not be perfectly fitting with your financial analysis and ratios and fancy balance sheet analysis. Kindly look at their field operations and you will find them impeccable. The regulatory architecture is so foolproof that you won't find much gaps in that.
I have a strong objection what it is written here that bankers/lenders meet. Rather, I will suggest that it is a partners meet, and with a same objective to give the financial support to the unbanked people who really need it.
We are committed to all of our lenders to pay back the money in time. But this is again something without your participation, without your lending terms, we won't be able to reach to the unreached.
All have to work together. It is not that this is something uncommon, this will not happen. That is not our feeling. We are very much, we appreciate the delinquency will be there. And we are very much for the poor people also, and we are equally concerned. And we are also focusing on microfinance, but the micro level.
Microfinance institutions have played a wonderful role in financial inclusion. And we must leverage that strength to see that it is taken to a higher scale and see that the objective is achieved. The Kolkata regional office will not take even one day to process the application and recommend to head office for consideration, if everything is okay as per the requirement.
The microfinance industry as well MVWB is hopeful that banks and NBFC lenders shall support to MFIs, particularly small and medium MFIs, during these critical situations of COVID-19, when they are facing the liquidity crisis, as many of the bank leaders and dignitaries have shared their positive attitude toward lending to microfinance industry.